how you can add admin on your Facebook page. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's continue. The first step is go to your Facebook. Now, you need to keep in mind that the person you want to add, the admin on your Facebook page, needs to be your friend on your Facebook. So after you're on your Facebook, go to your menu section on the bottom right, and after you tap on this drop down menu right beside your name, you will see your pages. Now just go to the page you want to add an admin on, and after you're there, just go to its menu, and there you will see professional dashboard. Go to professional dashboard and scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see a tools section. Now under tools section, you will see page access. Tap on page access, and there you will see people with Facebook access. Now tap on add new. After you tap on add new, just tap on next, and you'll need to search for that friend. So just search for that friend, and after you do so, you will see an option called allow this person to also have full control. Toggle this button on and tap on give access. Now here you will need to type in your Facebook profile password, and after you do that, you will have added an admin on your Facebook page. It's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.